In this screencast, I'd like to introduce you to a useful software application called RoadMovie, which is available for the OS X operating system. Costs $30 in the Apple App Store, and what it does is process video that you might either take yourself or that you've converted from a DVD, and it converts it in and out of a variety of different formats and adds information such as subtitles or metadata or makes chapter breaks. I'm going to show you how it works with just this short clip of Ryan Noblette talking about Braille. The way that it works is you just click, drag, and drop the video that you want to convert. You can send it to a variety of destinations. You might just burn it to your desktop. You could put it in your movies folder. You could put it into the same folder as the source. Or you could set this up to send it up to your YouTube account, putting in your username and your password. I'm going to do that. I'm going to send this to YouTube. And then there are a variety of formats that you can choose from. Now, if what you're doing is converting a movie to play it on a specific device, you can just choose the presets and it will take care of that for you. Or if you're going to put it on the web, you can make it the same size as the original. You can reduce it a little bit. You can make it smaller. Let's send it up to YouTube. Now, subtitles. If the name of the movie and the name of your subtitles are exactly the same, it will automatically recognize that those are the captions and it will put them here. If you want to add more, you can click the plus sign, find more. So let's say, for example, you had this video with subtitles or captions in English, Spanish, French. You could stack them up here and this would, RoadMovie would add it to the movie. You can add various metadata, so it will allow you to type in specifically the kinds of information that you want to be associated with the movie. And these are the things that get added in YouTube. So YouTube has these set categories. I'm going to call it education. We're going to tag it Braille. Okay. I'm not going to add any chapters. If I were making a DVD, I might make different chapters. You could add different soundtracks if you wanted to. If you had a voiceover in Spanish, you could add the Spanish track to it. If you were creating a podcast, you could set it up that way. But I'm going to show you how relatively quickly this takes place. I have a Elgato Turbo 264 HD video processing accelerator plugged into my MacBook Pro, and what that does is make this much faster than it might otherwise be. So what it's doing right now is converting the video out of its original format into a smaller format, and it's adding the subtitles. Now it's done having converted it, and now what it's going to do is upload the video to YouTube. While it's doing that, what I want to show you is that something that you can do is batch process a bunch of videos. And you don't have to be there while it's working on them. It will take care of that automatically. So let's say that you have 8 different videos and you want them all to be processed in the same way and uploaded to YouTube. You grab them all out of their original folder, drop them into RoadMovie, and then you can say, yeah, convert all of these to a small video and upload them to YouTube. And then you just have to, you go through and you change all these and you hit submit, and it will take care of that while you go and do something else. And that is a nice time saver, and it's a very user-friendly interface for making. Now, after you have finished uploading your video, you can go to your YouTube account and there it is, ready for you to do whatever you want in terms of publicizing it or doing some more processing. So RoadMovie is a very useful and user-friendly software application. I'm still learning the ins and outs of how it works, but so far I found it very helpful.